Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change audio quality to low on YouTube Music. So, let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube Music app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on downloads and storage. Next, tap on audio quality. Then you can see the option of low. Tap on low. So, this is how you can change audio quality to low on YouTube Music. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.